Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is going to be a template preview. I have not done one of these in a minute. And this is what I came up with. Look at that, super cute, right? Now remember, you can do these for any theme, any event. The measurements to this is going to be on my Patreon page. As of right now, like I have close to like 90 different templates on there. Not templates, let me stop that. 90 different template videos. I have videos that give you the measurements and show you what it's supposed to look like what your template is supposed to look like. Yeah, my Patreon page is great for those who are looking to make custom items for birthdays, baby showers, graduations, football parties, I don't know, barbecues, holidays, I don't know, whatever you want to use it for is there. So yeah, so what kind of template is this? What is in here? I didn't even tell you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, show you guys what it looks like. I could not believe I have not done a template for a peppermint patty. Reason probably being because I don't eat these. These things are my personal experience. They're nasty. They're gross. But my husband, he loves them. He can eat them things like they're actually good. So, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The measurements will be on my Patreon page. The link will be in the description box. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!